Hi everyone, I'm Christoph. I work in Adverity's product team, and today I will show you our latest addition to our destination library for our data integration module, Google Data Studio. This new destination allows you to quickly combine data from all of our connectors into one Google Data Studio data source. In this video, I'll briefly show you how. First, we need to create a Data Studio destination. To do so, we simply go to our transfer module and click on Add. Under our new category, Business Intelligence, we now find a new option called Google Data Studio. Let's click it. In the first step, we can give the new destination a name. Let's just call it Google Data Studio now. In the next step, we can now create a Data Studio data source that we can later on use in our dashboards. Just as a quick reminder, what the data source is. A data source provides you with data. You can choose from either one of the Google predefined ones or from one of the partner connectors. And Adverity's partner connector is exactly what we're going to use now to get the data in here from multiple sources. So let's go back to Adverity. In order to create such a data source with the Adverity partner connector, simply type in the name you want to see in Data Studio later on. In our case, let's use SEO data. This could later on become a combination of various SEO data streams, such as Google Search Console, SEMrush, PageSpeed Insights, or Search Metrics. In the next step, let's copy the name and open in Google, click on Open in Google Data Studio, as described in the instructions here. As a first step, we rename our Google Data Studio data source to the one we also assigned in Adverity. After clicking on Connect, the data source is created. After a couple of seconds, we will be getting our link from the browser search bar, which we can easily paste in Adverity. After clicking on Create, we have successfully created our first data source. Now let's fill it with some data. For this, I'm going to create a data stream. Select one of our SEO data sources, in our case, Google Search Console. In the destination step of the creation flow, we can select our newly created destination and assign our previously created GDS data source, SEO data. Now let's fetch some data, and after some moments, you're going to be able to use this data in your GDS dashboards. In order to have the latest data available, do not forget to click on the little pen and click on Refresh Fields. If you now want to add a second Google Data Studio data source, simply go back to your destination and click on Add. Thanks for listening and see you next time.